Okay, kids. Now come back. The break is over now. Come on, come back and come and sit in front of the screen. Come on, everyone. Switch on the camera fast. Now, kids, get your numeracy skill book. Your numeracy skill book and open page number 1717. Your numeracy skill book. I am writing the name and the page number in the chat box. Numeracy skill book, page number 1717. Okay, I had written the book name and the page number in the chat box. Now, so here is one shape. Yes. So kids, which shape is this? This is a square. This is a rectangle. Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. ये कौन सा shape है? Rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Look, rectangle की कितनी sides हैं? It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. But rectangle की जो 2 sides हैं, वो बड़ी होती हैं and 2 sides are small. ठीक है? 2 sides of a rectangle are bigger than the another 2 sides. Understand? इसकी 2 sides बड़ी होंगी और 2 sides छोटी होंगी. Rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 2 sides of rectangles are bigger than the another 2 sides. ठीक है? जैसे look, आप अपनी बुक को देखो. Look at your book. ये कौन से शेप की है? What is the shape of this book? Rectangle. देखो, ये 2 sides बड़ी हैं and these 2 sides are small. This is rectangle. Page number 1717. Look at this copy. This is also rectangle in shape. Look, 2 sides are big and 2 sides are small. Now everyone, look at your door. आप जिस रूम में बैठे हो उसके डोर को देखो. Come on. Look at the door of the room in which you are sitting. आप जिस रूम में बैठे हो उस रूम के डोर को देखो. Yes. Now what is the shape of that door? उस डोर का शेप क्या है? It's a rectangle. देखो, 4 sides उसकी सेम नहीं है. 2 sides are big and 2 sides are small. That is a rectangle. Ma'am, I had written the book name and the page number in the chat box. Numeracy skill book, page number 17. Rectangle. All right. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, and 2 sides are bigger than the another 2. इसकी 2 sides बाकी के 2 sides से बड़ी होती हैं. 2 sides बड़ी होती हैं, 2 sides small. Rectangle. अब आप अपने रूम में देखो. You can see many things which are rectangle in shape. देखो, come on. आपके रूम की सीलिंग, छत देखो. That is also rectangle shape. Many things are there. Your cupboard. Yes, just see your wardrobe, your cupboard. Almirah. That is also of rectangle shape, जिसमें आप कपड़े रखते हो आपके. Two sides are bigger than the another two sides. है ना? So kids, which shape is this? This is a rectangle. It has four sides and four corners, and two sides are bigger than the another two. Now, here some pictures are given. Look. So you have to observe. आपको pictures देखना है और देखना है कि which shape is rectangle, and you have to circle that. Come on, we'll do it together. So where's the pencil of ma'am? Here it is. Chalo. Now the first one. Yes, everyone's favorite. Chocolate. So what is the shape of this chocolate? Look, it's a rectangle. Two sides are bigger than the another two. So circle the chocolate. It's rectangle in shape. Then envelope, but the envelope is not in rectangle size. Look, इसकी चारों size same है. All the sides of the envelope are same. So it's not a rectangle. So leave it. Then move to next. Tape. Radio. So yes, it's a rectangle. Two sides are bigger than the another two. So circle it. Now the next one is plate. Is the plate of rectangle shape? No, it's a circle. So इसको हम circle नहीं करेंगे because we only have to circle the rectangle things. So leave it. And the last one is slate. What is the shape of this slate? Is it a rectangle? No, it's not a rectangle. All the sides are same. Yatendra, where are you up to now? I had written the book name, everything in the chat box. Literacy skill book, page number 17. Okay. Now turn on the page number 1818. Now in this, you have to trace, you have to overwrite all the rectangles and then you have to color it. Come on. Trace all the rectangles and color it. Dekho, there are so many rectangles given here. Windows are of rectangle shape. Look, you have to trace it and then you have to color.
Yes, hope you are fine. So what we will do today? We will do rhyme. हम rhyme करेंगे. Title of the rhyme is Gilhari. So shall we start? Show your thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So you have to repeat after ma'am. Okay. With the actions. Start. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. यस, अगेन. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. Yes, very good. Ma'am is looking at everybody, everyone. Do with the actions and sing along with the ma'am. Start. Last time. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. Yes, very good all of you, very good. Learn it, okay? You have to learn this rhyme.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Now, kids. All right. So, kids, now we'll say the English rhyme. So, what is the title of our English rhyme? Yes. I hear thunder. Chalo, everyone, I'm looking at everyone. Sit properly. Chalo, let's start. What is the title of the rhyme? I hear thunder. Start. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. Again, one more time. I hear thunder. Come on, Satvik. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. All right, now kids, get your Hindi copy and write down today's date. The date is 28/7/2021. Write down date on the left corner of the page. Okay? Write down. Yes. So kids, get your Hindi copy now and write down what ma'am used to say every day, that whatever work you write, you do. Okay? First of all, before writing that work, you have to write down the date of that particular day. Whatever work you are doing, you are writing. So before starting that work, first of all, write down the date on the left corner of the page. So today's date is 28/7/2021. सात्विक, बेटा ऐसे नहीं लिखना है सात्विक. This is not the way to write. Sit properly, सात्विक. Yes. आपकी आईज खराब हो जाएंगी. Don't write in this way. This is not the correct posture. मैम ने हमेशा आपको बताया है ना, we should always sit straight. Our back should be straight always. Devit, I am looking at you. Devit. Now, so kids, हिंदी में आज हम नया अक्षर करेंगे. So before starting the new अक्षर, let's revise the previous one. चलो, come on, say with ma'am. क. क से कमल. Then ख. ख से खरगोश. Then ग. ग से गमला. Then घ. घ से घर. और अणा. अणा है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Now, क के बाद अब कौन सी लाइन आएगी? च, च से चम्मच। देन छ से छाता। ज से जग। देन झ से झंडा। एंड निया, निया है खाली, बजाओ ताली। निया है खाली, बजाओ ताली। एंड हमने हमारी प्रीवियस क्लास में क्या करा था? ट से टमाटर। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू राइट आफ्टर ट। अब ट के बाद क्या आता है? लेट्स सी। यस, ठ, ठ से ठठेरा। ठ से ठठेरा। दिस इज अक्षर ठ, वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड laddu circle. ठ, come on everyone, ठ से ठठेरा। one standing line and one circle. This is अक्षर ठ। कौन सा अक्षर है ये? अक्षर ठ। ठ से ठठेरा। So it's very simple अक्षर, I think. So make one standing line and one circle. Come on, do it fast. Say and write. आपको बोलना है और लिखना है। Say, आप कौन सा अक्षर लिख रहे हो? ठ। So ठ से ठठेरा। अक्षर ठ। ठ, one standing line and one circle. ठ से ठठेरा and sleeping line at the top. ठ से ठठेरा। बोलो और लिखो। Come on. अक्षर ठ। ये कौन सा अक्षर है? अक्षर ठ। वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड वन सर्कल एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन एट द टॉप। ठ से ठठेरा। ठ से ठठेरा। ठ से ठठेरा। Start. The school is over for us today. Done our work, done our play. Before we go, we come to say thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right, kids, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.